I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install video of this 7x5 Bye Knots wig from UNiceHair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. Guys, this wig came already pre-plucked with bleached knots and parted down the middle. So it's a glueless wig too, so this wig is not glued down. This wig was just so easy to install. So for my girlies who still just cannot figure out how to bleach knots or pluck their hairline, this is the wig for you. So we are going to get into the unboxing and installing of this wig in a little bit. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today I'm working with this 7x5 glueless wear and go wig from UNiceHair. So this is it right out of the box. I should be able to just take this off and put it on. So I'm super excited. I love these glueless wigs that already have bleached knots. So let's see what's in here, you guys. Let's see. So here is the wig, but we're gonna save that for last. So it does come with a book on how to care for the hair and the explanation, the Bye Knots wig. It has a HD wig cap, it has their branding on it, and also hair clips for styling or when you're installing the wig, and another goodie bag with like press-on nails, a band when you install the wig, and another wig cap. But let's see this wig, and this should be the water wave texture, which I'm super excited about because I love water wave hair. I love a nice looser curl. It eats the girlies up every time. Ooh, okay, this is really pretty. This is a looser texture. I love it. Ooh, and the lace looks really nice. Hold on, you guys. Let me show you all this. Oh, the net is stuck to my hand. Let me show you all this. So here is the wig right out of the box, you guys. So this looks so good. Like they did a great job bleaching these knots. Like look at that. And then one thing, I've never seen a glueless wig like this to where they cut this lace so beautifully. Like sometimes people just do like a wavy pattern. Like this is actually the way you should cut your lace. So I do really like the way the lace is cut here. It looks really pretty. And it's a nice long part. But let's get into this actual hair texture because y'all know I like a looser curl. Like this is beautiful. This is my type of curl. Like this is what I'm talking about for sure. But let me show you all the lace. Like the lace looks pretty thin, easy to work with. And this is a 7x5 wig. So here is the amount of parting space you get. And this looks really good. This is a lot of parting space. This is about the same parting space you get on frontals these days. And it also has an elastic band on it. So I would say this is a very well-made wig. It also has a comb in the back. And I'm glad they didn't put any combs right here because those usually pull my real hair out and I don't like those. And if you look at this wig, you see it has like this gritness to it. So this is really gonna keep your wig secure. Like you see this shiny thing on it. But okay, this is really eating the girlies up already. I am super happy with this. They did a really good job. Okay, that looks so good. But I'm just gonna put this wig on and that should be it, honey. That's so exciting. But yeah, I am in love with this curl pattern, but let me put this wig on. Hold on, you guys. So, oh wow, okay. Hold on, let me get close so you all can see what we're working with here. Look at the curl pattern. It is just so pretty. I am loving it. Okay. Like, this is definitely like a looser, beachy curl. Like, I love this kind of curl. This is what I'm talking about. When I say I like a looser curl, this is it. But let's get into this wig. With this being a 7x5 instead of a regular like 5x5 or something, you can still kind of flip the hair over and still have a little parting space over there. Like, that looks cute. But But straight out of the box, this is what we're working with. This looks pretty cute. I am really liking this. Like, this is cute. This looks so beachy and beautiful. Like, this is definitely vacation hair. And if you're somebody who doesn't like to wear wigs on vacation, especially when you know you're gonna be swimming, getting a glueless wig where you can just take it off, put it back on, is really a life hack, low-key. It really is a life hack because you're not constantly messing with glue and your wig isn't gonna slide back. For one, if it does slide back, you just do that. And two, you can always tighten the elastic band that I showed you all on this wig if you see your wig sliding back or anything. So I am loving it. But, so as you all can see, of course, the wig is not glued down at all. Like, you all see what we're working with here. It's not glued down. You can always adjust it a little bit, but you can adjust it, but it also feels very secure. So I am really liking this. This looks really pretty. You can rock it with no baby hair, or you can also do baby hair. I don't know, like with curlier wigs, I do like a little baby hair. I feel like it does eat the girlies up. What I found with curlier wigs, I do like a little baby hair. I feel like it does just like eat a little more. So I love that. This hair does look very much vacation ready. Like, it is very beautiful, you guys. Another thing is, I do not wear wig caps when I install my wigs. And also, I did not put makeup on this wig. And it still looks really, really good. But I would definitely recommend normally putting makeup on. I just wanted to see how this thing looked straight out of the box. And it looks really, really good, you guys. Like, I'm happy with just the way the wig itself was made. It looked really beautiful. What I may do when I wear this wig is add a little baby hair a little bit to the side, because I just love the way baby hair looks with curlier textures. But other than that, like, it doesn't even need any product in it because this is the exact looseness and texture I like on my wig. So I probably won't put any product in it. A little mousse might make the waves just kind of pop again, but this is what I'm talking about. When I say I like looser curls, this is what I'm talking about. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I did decide to add a little baby hair and I just wanted to show you all, but I did not have to glue down the wig at all, but it is eating now. Now it looks fantastic. So this wig is super duper easy to work with. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.